Before we start the steps of losing weight, subscribe to us and activate the bell button to receive new videos notifications. Part number 2. Eat protein, fat and vegetables. Each one of your meals should include: Number 1. A protein source. Number 2. Fat source. Number 3. Vegetables. Number 4. A small portion of complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains. To see how you can assemble your meals, check out Number 1. This low-carb meal plan. Number 2. This lower-calorie meal plan. Number 3. These lists of 101 healthy low-carb recipes and low-calorie foods. Let's explain the previous 3 steps. 1. This low-carb meal plan. Your food choices depend on a few things, including how healthy you are, how much you exercise and how much weight you have to lose. Consider this meal plan as a general guideline, not something written in stone. Eat meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, fruit, nuts, seeds, high-fat dairy, fats, healthy oils, and maybe even some tubers and non-gluten grains. Don't eat sugar, HFCS, wheat, seed oils, trans fats, diet and low-fat products and highly processed foods. Number 2. This lower-calorie meal plan. While weight loss is much more complex than the calories in, calories out way of thinking, generally speaking, a calorie deficit needs to be created to lose body fat.
Typically, a reduction of 500 calories per day is suggested to lose 1 pound, 450 grams, per week. Though this would equate to a 52-pound, 23.5 kilogram, weight loss in 1 year, research shows that the average rate of weight loss is much slower. Number 3. These lists of 101 healthy low-carb recipes and low-calorie foods include: Number 1. Oats, which are high in fiber and protein, work to reduce hunger, increase feelings of fullness and improve appetite control. Number 2. Greek yogurt is high in protein and linked to less hunger, subdued calorie intake, and increased feelings of fullness. Number 3. Certain types of soup can be low in calories and slow the emptying of your stomach while reducing total calorie intake. Number 4. Berries are high in fiber and pectin, which slow the emptying of your stomach and promote feelings of fullness. Protein. Eating a recommended amount of protein is essential to help preserve your health and muscle mass while losing weight. Evidence suggests that eating adequate protein may improve cardiometabolic risk factors, appetite, and body weight. Here's how to determine how much you need to eat without eating too much. Many factors determine your specific needs, but generally, an average person needs 9 trusted source, 56 to 91 grams per day for the average male, 46 to 75 grams per day for the average female. Diets with adequate protein can also help reduce cravings and obsessive thoughts about food by 60%, reduce the desire to snack late at night by half, make you feel full. In one study, people on a higher protein diet ate 441 fewer calories per day, 10 trusted source, 11 trusted source. Healthy protein sources include meat, beef, chicken, and lamb. Fish and seafood, salmon, trout, and shrimp. Eggs, whole eggs with the yolk. Plant-based proteins, beans, legumes, quinoa, tempeh, and tofu. Low-carb and leafy green vegetables. Don't be afraid to load your plate with leafy green vegetables. They're packed with nutrients, and you can eat very large amounts without greatly increasing calories and carbs. Vegetables to include for low-carb or low-calorie eating plans: broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, tomatoes, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, Swiss chard, lettuce, cucumber. Healthy fats. Don't be afraid of eating fats. Your body still requires healthy fats no matter what eating plan you choose. Olive oil and avocado oil are great choices for including in your eating plan. Other fats such as butter and coconut oil should be used only in moderation due to their higher saturated fat content. 12 trusted source. End part 2 of Lose Weight in 3 Steps. Watch the 3rd step for important. Check out the 3rd part video by clicking the first link in the description box below.